Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK Hedgehogs. I've got some very exciting news to share with you. If you follow my channel, you'll know already that this is my wildflower mound, and underneath there is a subterranean hedgehog house. And I did videos on both of those, so if you want to see me making the hedgehog house, I'll put a link in the description box below this video. Now that was about 4 or 5 months ago. And I know I've got hedgehogs in my garden because I've seen them. And then the other night, just down here in the grass, I noticed what I thought was hedgehog poo. Now I've got this wildlife camera, which I have been using to observe hedgehogs in another part of my garden. But it begs the question, have they moved down here? Is that hedgehog poo evidence that they may have found my subterranean hedgehog house? Well, last night I set up the camera, attached it to this wheelie truck and pointed it in the direction of the entrance of the tunnel. Then I put some food down, which is basically cat food. It's kibble and meat. Now the kibble, as a subscriber recently told me, is great for hedgehog teeth. It helps them clean the teeth. And the meat obviously is good food. And a little tray of water here as well. And that was last night. This morning I woke up and checked the footage. Now the nice thing about this camera is it's remote, so I can be inside the cottage, which as you can see is only a short distance away, and I can check the footage remotely on my phone. That's exactly what I did this morning, and you're about to see what I saw. And what you will see in a moment when I take this camera inside and download the footage onto my computer and edit it into this video is a bit of a dream come true for me, because most of my garden is dedicated to wildlife. I have a wildlife pond and a log pile, a twig pile and dense hedges. But to get hedgehogs in my garden is a happy day. Now, of course, I did know that I already had hedgehogs, but had they moved in here yet? Do you know, given what you're about to see, I suspect they're either already in there or about to move in there. Now, hedgehogs, do they smell? There is a strange odour just here at the entrance to this hedgehog nesting box. And I think that is hedgehog smell. Please enjoy this footage. Don't forget, there is a link to the video where I made the subterranean hedgehog house in the description box below this video. And I will also put a link to this brilliant little piece of kit, a wildlife camera. You set it up in your garden. It's solar powered. I've not used a solar panel yet because it's also got batteries. And then you can watch it remotely. And then you can wake up in the morning, look at the footage and download it. It's wonderful. Enjoy this hedgehog footage. I'll see you soon for some more hedgehog adventures. Bye for now. So as you can see from that footage, somewhat frustratingly, the hedgehog didn't actually go into the entrance to the mound. Well, not from this side anyway. This is a tunnel and it goes from front to back, so it could be that the hedgehog has gone in to the other entrance to the nest box. Or it could be that the hedgehog is nesting in that pampas grass to my right. But there's also another possibility, because I pile all my cuttings and prunings up here in a pile, so it could be that the hedgehog is nesting underneath there. We just don't know. My objective is to try and get the hedgehog to move into this nest box. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to reposition the camera slightly so that hopefully we can get an idea of the direction of travel of this hedgehog. And I'll do that tonight. I'll put more food down and I'll try and find a position somewhere here where we can cover all our bases. And if I get some footage, I'll drop it as a link in the description box below this video. But happily, because credit where it's due, by degrees we are getting this hedgehog to move closer and closer to this subterranean hedgehog house. I understand that hedgehogs have 2 or 3 different nest sites, so it could be that my hedgehog will choose here and over here. I'm just happy that the hedgehog is here in the first place. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, and I'll see you soon for some more hedgehog house adventures. Bye for now.